Hello traders, welcome back. This is gold. I had done earlier analysis and said when this price gets to this 4-hour point of interest, we were to look for sales, of which this market is very bullish and anything can happen. The zone might hold or not. The only thing that will make us trade from this zone is the lower time frame confirmation. Why am I anticipating a reversal from this point? First of all, when we left down here, look at how aggressive these candles were printing. Look at this. This is a very impulsive move, very short time, and then retracement really struggled down. What do we see? A very impulsive move up, and then retracement almost not there. We had another impulsive move up, and then retracement was really struggling. Once we got here, we mitigated this 1-hour demand, and then we had only 4 candles closing up and the job was done. 1, 2, 3, 4. The structure was broken. But look at how many 1-hour candles formed to make this retracement a success. We had about 22 1-hour candles did the retracement to this level. But out of the 22 candles, when we touched the demand, we had only 4 candles up and the job was cleared. Look at this scenario. The retracement, it was really struggling. You can see numerous, hundreds of the candles making retracement to this level. What happened? We got mitigation. However, this is where the gear is starting to shift. I would expect at most around 6 candles to get the job done, because if we had only, look at this, after this demand got mitigated, we had a break of structure, we had a retracement back to this structure. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 finished the job. I expected also to find maybe 5 or 6 candles finishing this job. But on the contrary, what we had, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles moved, but they could barely get to 50% of the move. Thereafter, we had a retracement again. This is the first signal that sellers are now stepping in. Now you need to start asking yourself, why? The reason is we are nearing the big brother's zone. 1 hour will start now bowing down to the big brother. Okay, after that, what happened? We had another aggressive candle up. We thought maybe after this, we are going to see a break of structure straight. Never. That did not happen. We had another retracement. This shows you we are starting seeing sales momentum kicking in. Look at this. We had another too aggressive, which managed to close above. But again, let me zoom in and show you what happened thereafter. Once we had these 2 candles closing up, 1, 2, good job, closed up. What did we have? A very huge single candle reversed all the job that had been done by these candles. What does this tell you? The momentum for sellers is kicking in. After that, we see a demand left down here, and this demand may not hold simply because when we approach the bigger brother's zone, the smaller brother will start bowing down and will stop holding. What the small brother will do, small brother will give way. How does it give way? It becomes trap. It will trap buyers who are still thinking the momentum for bulls is still in. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts. And if you know another trader who could benefit from this, go ahead and share it with them. Let's spread the clarity and cut out the noise together. The bulls are losing it. Look at how they're struggling to move this price up. These are the bulls. The same bulls that moved here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the job was done. 1, single rejection. 2, the job was done. They got wherever they wanted to get to. And here, they're trying to give in their momentum. 1, 2, another 1 candle is coming to tell them, no, this is not your zone. You have to slow down your pace. Thereafter, what do we see? The bulls have given in. They are now slowing down their pace. They are struggling, really struggling to go up. Struggling. Once this huge candle formed, what did we see? We saw almost immediate reversal. Again, this reversal tried to go up and closed bullish. But what did we see after that reversal closed bullish? Bears stepped in aggressively. They gave the first candle, the second candle. This candle engulfs how many candles? 1, 2, 3. 3 candles have been covered by 2 candles. Okay? What does this tell you? By the way, let us count from this point. We see how many candles have been covered from this point. You see, there's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles that were forming in between here have been violated by only 3 bearish candles. 1, 2, 3. It reversed the job that was done by 8 candles up. What does this tell you? Sellers are now taking position. If they are taking position, we do not want to anticipate buyers to hold. After we have identified this 4 hour, we anticipate to see the lower time frame confirmation. This is where now you need to confirm. I have shared a video where you need to know how to confirm on your entry criteria. Therefore, I would expect once this zone gives us this confirmation, we are going to drop bearish. If you are tired of the noise, the confusion, and those market traps that keep eating into your account, I have filtered it all out for you. In my mentorship at Gaius Trading Academy, I teach exactly what I have found to work in the real market, so you don't have to keep losing to manipulations you can't even see coming. If you are serious about turning this around, click the link in my bio for more details, and let's get you trading with clarity and confidence. Bye bye for now. See you in the next one.